Okay, so we're back in RoboCell. This is the program that you used for A. Using it again. Same way, make a new file. Still don't have our 3D model, so we'll import our 3D model file, import 3D model. You have to pick the same work cell. So, same thing. The windows are all scattered. So if you go to Window and Simulate and Teach, organizes them nicely. We're going to go Pro, so we're going to select from L1, L2, we'll pick Pro. That lets us expand the window on the bottom. So this one's going to be different than the first one, because in the first one you're moving stuff around a bit. In this one, they actually give you a table with all of the locations. So you're going to teach it all of the locations just going straight through. So position 99 is going to be our home. That one's not on here, but we'll put that in on the bottom in your teach thing. So you say 99, okay. You say record position. So 99 now exists in the library of positions that it has to use. Get position, because I want to use its current location. So that has the XYZ pitch and roll for that location that it is right here. Right here. Okay, and then I teach it, so now it remembers it. So I recorded it, so it knew that 99 existed. I got the position information, and then I taught it. Cool. So now for all these other ones, you're just going to go through one by one. So this first one, show the people at home. Alright, so now I'm going to create position 1. Position 1, I'm going to record the position. So then the X value they have here, X value is 400. Y value is 0. Z value is 17.5. Pitch is negative 90. Negative 90. And the roll is 0. So now I can just say teach. So now it knows there's a position 1, and I just put all the information in for it. So now you repeat this for 11, 12, or 11, 2, and 12. That'll have all the positions recorded and then taught, and then they'll all be in for you to use as go-to position. So now I've gone ahead and got all of my positions into the system. So I've got 1, 11, 12, 2, and 99. They're all in here. These have all been recorded as they're written on the sheet. So now I can go ahead and start my program. I'm starting with Open Gripper command, then I'm going to go to. So I'm going to go to position 11. I want to try doing this differently than we did before. So before we just kind of moved at the same speed. Now when I go from home to the hover position, I want to go fast. So I can go fast, and I'll go slowly when I'm working around the material. So between 11, 1, 11, 12, 2, 12, I'll go kind of slow. Then I'll go back quickly back up to 11. So to do fast, I'm going to 11, but I'm going to choose fast from the speed half of this window. So now, oops, that went the wrong side. Alright, I'll select that blank line. There we go. Go to position 11, I'll go fast. Okay, so now I'm hovering above position 1 at position 11. Again, go to, target position 1, so now I'm going to go down at that half speed. Go to, so now I'm on the cube. I'm going to grab the cube, close the gripper, go back up to position 11, so I'm at my hover. Then I'll go to position 12, then I'll go to position 2. Now I'm placing it down at position 2. So I will release the cube. Then I will go back to position 12 to hover above. And then I'll go back to position 99, which we set as home. And I'll do that fast. So I can say OK. So now, if I run through from the beginning, so I'm going to reset this main screen. Alright, this is how we set up our work cell. So now I'm going to hit run. I'll click on line 1. I will click run single line. So we go fast down to 11, slowly down to 1, grab the cube, back up to 11, over to 12, down to 2, let it go up slowly, and then kind of zip back up a little bit faster, back to home. There you go. And that should conclude everything you need to do for This 3.1.2b, you do have enough space. Please make sure you complete the conclusion questions and make sure I've seen this and sign off on your page before handing it in. Thank you. One more note, if you type RE while you've got the program selected, it brings up the Remark tab, and that'll let you add in any text you need to add. So for example, your name, it'll add a line to the code with that information.